how's it going? Mike here, The Fresh Rents, on location in Franklin, Ohio, to watch this extremely dirty home on this gorgeous Sunday afternoon. A realtor friend of mine called and said this is a must-wash home. They're getting ready to take pics. In fact, when I get done, they'll be taking pictures and then putting it on the market tomorrow. As I walk around the house, I can see the home is not terrible. I've certainly seen worse. That being said, it's going to make for great pictures for tomorrow's sale. So I'm going to have to give particular attention to these gutters today. These things are in bad shape. I'm shooting 12% sodium hypochlorite, downstreamed with a 2.1 injector. With my 8-gallon per minute machine, I have stretched out 150 feet of 3/8 high pressure washing hose. And at this point, I'm probably shooting about a 13-to-1 mixture, which obviously is less than 1% sodium hypochlorite. Hey guys, Mike here, real quick. Don't miss tomorrow night's video. Tomorrow is the complete lunar eclipse, and our area is the #2 hotspot for the best visibility for the lunar eclipse. I have 5 house washes, and surely at some point tomorrow, while I'm washing, we'll have a complete blackout. I'll do my best to get it on video. We have people from all over the country ascending into our area, and every Airbnb from here to Indianapolis is completely booked. It's going to be a fantastic time, at least for 2 or 3 minutes. So tomorrow night's video, don't miss it, the complete lunar eclipse, and I'm real excited. I hope that you'll watch. So we're going to shoot these gutters. We're going to see how well less than 1% SH will work on these gutters. While I'm soaping down this end of the home, let's talk about downstream injectors for just a moment. I will leave a link in the description to a full-length video where that I detail the different orifices that you can use for particular machines. But by and large, I use a 2.1 or a 2.3 downstream injector throughout the year. In the summer months, the nice warm months, I will definitely be using a 2.3 injector. And what this does, it allows me to not have to batch mix. Some of you guys enjoy batch mixing and you might save a little bit of chemical that way. And I can appreciate the need for saving some funds. SH is not always cheap. Anytime you can save a buck, I would encourage you to do that. But I allow my downstream injector to do my mixing for me. So again, the 2.1 injector will allow about, well, just less than 1% of mix through 150 feet of pressure washing hose. And we're going to see if that's all I needed on those gutters around front. All right, as we make our way around to the front of the home, let's check out these gutters. I have not rinsed yet. I'm not sure if it's coming out clear on camera or not, but all that it's going to require is a little rinsing. As you can imagine, I do not, generally speaking, work on Sunday. In fact, it's rare that I work a weekend at all. I work Monday through Friday and take most holidays, and anytime I can to be with the family, that's what I do. And that's what this profession has allowed for me to do. Every once in a while, maybe, I don't know, it may be even just every couple of years, I will find myself working on a Sunday. Got to do what you got to do. The price is right. And this is also good for me because it's a realtor. This allows me to kind of do a little extra advertising, so to speak. She realizes this home will sell better if it's cleaner. And that's the whole idea. All right, we're going to take a real quick walk around and show you how well everything came out. I do want to address real quickly, see all these black dots all over the backside of this home, even on the glass. It is artillery fungus. It's not coming off. It won't come off. I'll be certain to address that with the realtor. I don't want her thinking that I skipped out without doing my job. The gutters came out fantastic all around. I believe that the realtor will be very, very pleased. I will also be sending the pictures to the homeowner as they live in another state, and I'm sure they'll be very, very happy. I went ahead and washed all the concrete walkways in the front and the back. And again, you can see the gutters came out wonderfully. All right, I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. If you would like and subscribe, hit the bell tab and be sure to leave a comment. Again, tomorrow we've got 5 washes. I'll be solo, and I think we can get it all done in one day. And at some point, we're going to see the lunar eclipse. We'll get it on video. It'll be totally cool. All right, my name is Mike. Appreciate you watching. They call me the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.